what we're gonna do is we're gonna show you how to clean this with a bunch of random stuff. Bleh. To properly clean your Blackstone Griddle, you'll need cleaning spray, water, and oil. After an intense griddle session, the stone's nasty. All that former food is now caked on stink crust. First things first, light up your griddle, extra hot and spicy. As the griddle heats up and that stink crust starts to wiggle, get in there with the scraper and start getting busy. All right, once you've scraped up the funk, spit the stone with the water. The water helps to release more of the greasy, grimy leftovers. Do another pass through with the scraper. Now it's time to turn off the heat and season the griddle for your next use. We prefer avocado oil. Why? I don't know. Fun facts about avocados? They're in the same family as cinnamon. Half of an average size avocado has 4.6 grams of fiber. And an avocado has more potassium than a banana. Time to clean! A little wipe down of the other non-cooking surfaces with the cleaner and you're all set for your next incredible meal on the griddle.